You thought the Nissan GT-R was gone, right? You thought the Godzilla had taken its last breath. Well, guess what? Think again. Because while Nissan may have pulled the plug on production, Liberty Walk just brought this monster back from the dead. And it's more savage than ever. 18 years after the R35 first hit the streets, the final GT-R rolled off the line in Tochigi, Japan, a premium edition, T-Spec, dripping in midnight purple glory. The end of an era, the last of its kind. But before we could even shed a tear, Liberty Walk decided to hit the gym with this beast and turn it into something the world wasn't ready for. This isn't just a GT-R anymore. It's a supercar with anger issues. Liberty Walk didn't just tweak a few panels, they completely redefined what aggressive looks like. First up, those fender flares, front and rear, integrated perfectly like a set of flexing biceps. The front bumper? It's been transformed into a jaw-dropping, air-slicing machine with massive side intakes and a gaping central mouth ready to inhale the road. And that chin spoiler down low? It's pure attitude. You can practically hear it saying, "Move, or I'll move you." And those side skirts? They look like armor plates from a sci-fi tank. Every inch of this body screams performance. Even the door mirrors, untouched, almost look like a reminder that a tiny bit of the old GT-R DNA still lives on inside. But make no mistake, this thing has evolved. Spin around to the back, and you're met with something that could only be described as aerodynamic insanity. There's a wing so huge it could probably generate lift for a small aircraft. The bumper wears a sporty diffuser that means business, and the exhaust tips, straight from the aftermarket underworld, oversized, unapologetic, and loud enough to wake the dead. The finish on this monster? Silver with a possible wrap, black roof, and those sharp, blacked-out accents. It's like a metallic samurai dressed for war. The decals add that track-ready race day vibe, and the stance? Oh man, the stance. It's so low, it looks like it's melting into the asphalt. You just know there's air suspension under there, letting the driver raise or drop the body at will. Press a button, and boom, it's slammed to the floor, ready to destroy egos. And let's not ignore the wheels, those blacked-out deep dish beauties wrapped in Advan rubber with bold white lettering. They look ready to bite the pavement. Every angle of this GT-R oozes aggression, like a caged animal just waiting to break loose. Now here's where it gets wild. Liberty Walk doesn't do engine upgrades. That's not their game. They're all about looks that kill. So under the hood, it's still rocking that twin-turbocharged V6, the same one that made the Nismo version push up to 592 horsepower. But let's be real. Do you really need more when your car looks like this? Probably not. Still, there's a chance another tuner might have sprinkled some extra power magic under there. Nobody knows for sure. And honestly, the mystery just makes it even cooler. Because this isn't a car you drive, it's a car you unleash. This Liberty Walk GT-R isn't about blending in. It's not about being polite. It's about domination. It's about standing still and still managing to scare everything within a 50-foot radius. It's the definition of built, not bought. So while Nissan may have shut the chapter on the R35, Liberty Walk just wrote a new one that screams louder, looks meaner, and refuses to be forgotten. This isn't a goodbye. This is the final form, a legacy on four wheels that refuses to die quietly. Because when Liberty Walk builds a car, it doesn't just turn heads, it breaks necks. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate send-off for the legendary GT-R? Or did Liberty Walk just outshine Nissan itself?